Hi, I'm Todd Brandon and this is 96 Lion Creek Road in Wandal. The owners have done a magnificent job renovating this property. Let me take you through on a quick tour. This home is spectacular with a certain amount of luxe. Check out this bathroom. And this brand new dine-in kitchen that connects seamlessly from the outdoor entertaining space and this wonderful open plan living. Well, how amazing is 96 Lion Creek Road? Set on 607 square metres, this fully renovated home is well worth your inspection. If we can help you own this home, give us a call. We would love to help you out.